guys, welcome back to Fast Jack's Garage. On today's episode, we're back again working on the RM. We're going to do some fork seals, rear shock. We're going to just polish up some stuff and just fix a bunch of miscellaneous stuff because there's a lot wrong with it. We're waiting for that gear in the mail, so I thought, well, might as well try and do some stuff and maybe make a video out of it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Alright, so I cleaned the swing arm up and I figured out that it really sucks. Not the swing arm itself, but the paint on it. As you can see, don't know what that is, but it's not coming off. And also, to be honest with you, I'm not a huge, like the sparkly green, yeah, it's alright, it's different, but I think we're gonna go with black. I think we're gonna sand it all down, take the stickers off, and tape it up, and we're gonna paint it black. I just decided on doing that, so that's a surprise for both you and me in this video. So let's get doing that right now then. Alright, so while we're literally waiting for paint to dry, I'm going to take off these radiators, both of them, and we're going to give them a polish, because why not? It'll take a few minutes and they'll look pretty sweet when they're done. So let's get into taking those off. Swing arm's on. I say it looks pretty good. I like the black a lot, and I did clear coat it too. I just didn't spray paint it black, which that's already pretty janky. Just spray paint it black, but I did clear coat it too to try and help out a little bit. I also want to test this too, just out of curiosity. I wanted to paint that too. I want to see how long that stuff holds up. I don't expect it to hold up more than a few rides, but we'll find out. But I cleaned up all the plastics, and I just threw them back in the blankets because they're not laying over on the garage. So now we're gonna move on to the fork seals. I got fork oil finally. So it's time to go do that. So right here, I really didn't explain what I was doing too well. What I'm putting on currently, I took an old oil seal and I cut it in half to slip over the bond tube. And here I'm putting on a piece of PVC to kind of, this is like a slide hammer, but it's more something to grab onto as well. And I'm gonna bring it over here, and I'm just kind of slide hammer on, and you'll see after this it really didn't work. So I ended up getting a t-shirt to kind of buffer between my hands and that, and just pushing on as hard as I could. This oil seal gave me a huge hassle. Both of them did. Hear that? That's the sound of victory. Alright, fork seals are in, forks are back on the bike, front tire is back on, everything's tight, everything's torqued down like it's supposed to be. So time to move on to the next thing. The next thing is cleaning up the cases so I can heat those up and drop all the bearings into them. So let's start cleaning up the cases. So what I'm using to clean these cases is just a Scotch-Brite pad. I tried to go to Home Depot and pick up some wheels, but I can't get wheels right now due to coronavirus. And by the way, hope everyone's feeling well and everyone's not going crazy yet. But yeah, we're gonna clean it with some Scotch-Brite pads and see how that works. Alright, so got these things all like Scotch-Brite up. They look pretty good in my opinion. No, it's not like as good as like a Scotch-Brite wheel would do, but it's pretty good. So, yeah. Alright, that's about it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry there's really no defined topic for this video. I'm just doing whatever I could for the parts I had. Next video, it's going to be full engine rebuild. We're going to put the engine back together next video and hopefully be starting it. And if you guys are liking this content, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys like the channel, maybe consider subscribing. And I just want to say I hope everyone's doing well with the whole COVID-19 situation, that everyone is staying healthy, staying safe. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure you follow my Instagram at FastJacksGarage.